In our daily lives, we often encounter nuisances like an itchy throat. It can arise from various causes such as allergies, dry air, pollution, or a cold. However, it's believed traditionally that these discomforts can be cured or significantly relieved through the practice of acupressure. Today, I'll share with you 2 specific acupressure points that are known for their effectiveness in relieving the symptoms of an itchy throat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it. The Tiantu point. The Tiantu point is located in the suprasternal fossa, just above the jugular notch. Gently press it with your thumb or forefinger, applying pressure in small circular motions. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you feel better and experience no itching sensation. The HEGU point. The HEGU point is located on the back of the hand, between the thumb and index finger, at the very top of the crease inside the muscle. Find this point and massage it by pressing gently in small circular motions. Press the Tiantu point for 2 minutes. Start now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Next up, the HEGU point massage for 2 minutes. Start now. 3, 2, 1, and done. Do it on both sides and repeat the process 3 or 4 times a day or whenever you feel itchy. For better results, you can gargle with warm water mixed with a little salt to relieve itching. I've created the video. You can access it by clicking on the suggestion box here. Until next time, bye and stay healthy.